Welcome to the video about our MSP432 project. This project is part of the module Microcontroller Technik of the Bachelor's Degrees Angewandte Mathematik und Informatik of the Fachhochschule Aachen University. The project deals with the implementation of the game Battleship.
It is realized on the microcontroller MSP432 by the company Texas Instruments using C++. The microcontroller is extended by the educational booster pack MK2. The booster pack provides, among others, a joystick, 2 buttons, and a 128 by 128 LCD display.
The game Battleship is a two-player game. Both players distribute their ships in their map. In turns, they try to find the ships of the opponent and try to let them sink. If a player destroys the whole fleet, he or she wins. The MSP432 is powered by a micro USB cable. The game starts with a menu, where the players can start the game, read the manual, or study the control. The manual tells the players how to play the game. With several button clicks, they can go through it and end up in the menu again.
With the same procedure, they can learn the control. With a click on the lower right button, the cursor position can be confirmed or notifications can be pushed away. A click on the upper right button ends the game and results in the menu. The joystick is used to move the cursor in the menu or in the map.
Now let's start the game.
Player 1 is asked to distribute his or her ships on the map. There are 3 1x1, 2 1x2 and 2 1x3 ships that have to be set. On the 7x7 field map, the player can set his or her ships by moving the cursor and pressing the button. A ship bigger than 1x1 can be turned by a click on the joystick.
When all ships are set, the next player will continue. Player 1 is told to give the controller to his or her opponent. Player 2 will confirm the receipt of the controller by pushing the right lower button. After that, he or she sets the ships too. One field cannot be occupied by 2 ships. If the player tries this, a notification will appear telling him to choose another field.
After both players set their ships, they now try to find the ships of the other one. For that, they move the cursor again and confirm their guess with a button click. If the guess was right and a part of the ship was hit, it will appear as a black box with a bomb on it. The player can have another turn. If the guess was wrong and water was hit, the next play continues.
If a player hits all parts of one ship, the whole ship will appear. A player wins if he or she finds all ships. After that, the menu opens again and a new game can be started. If the players want to end the game before someone wins, they have to press the upper right button while switching the player.
That was a short video about our battlefield realization on MSP432. Thank you for listening.